Welcome to QZenith video tutorials. Hello there, welcome to the Parrot Essential course, and in this video we're going to have an introduction on Parrot operating system. So let's get started. Now this documentation has been possible and thanks to ParrotOS community members' work. So in the couple of upcoming videos, I'm going to introduce what is Parrot operating system and then what is GNU Linux, and then I'm going to show you how we can actually download the Parrot operating system, and then we're going to talk about the community contributions. And if you want to join and collaborate with Parrot project, they invite you to join in their Telegram chat group. You can find them on their Facebook group. Also, if you find some mistake, we are humans and then mistakes happens, right? So you can write an email to team@parrotsec.org or open a merge request in the official documentation repository. It will be analyzed and reviewed as soon as possible. So I'm not going to take much time in this video. I'm going to start with what is Parrot operating system in the very next video. Hope it was informative for you. I will see you on the next video. Thank you guys.